Everyone wants that trendy layered cut that you see on Pinterest. But the real problem is that no matter how many times you show your photo to your barber, your hair never looks like that. The reason for this is that without real layering, there is no direction, movement, or flow of hair. Most barbers do not know how to layer. Look at these photos. In the first photo, the hair is not layered, so they fall straight back. But in the second photo, see how the hair is flowing backwards with the shape and movement. This is the power of clean layering. It completely changes your face and style. So today, I am going to show you 5 simple step process that will cut the perfect layer every time. The first step in growing long hair is an awkward face. You will have to grow your hair for 3 months without cutting. No trimming, no cutting, no side fixing. This face is very awkward. Your hair will not listen to you. They will stick in a random direction. Sometimes they will fall on your head, and sometimes they will puff. The next day, you will feel uncomfortable sleeping because your hair will keep falling on your face. And to be honest, you will feel like an old caveman. But this is true. This face is not a shortcut. If you want a clean, flowy, and attractive young head, you will have to survive these 3 months of messy face. And because you are thinking of growing long hair, you will have to take proper care of it from the beginning. Shampoo and conditioner routine, oiling, brushing, frizz control are all important when you want to grow your hair. Growing hair is easy, but finding a good barber is a real challenge. Most local barbers come with basic cuts. Short fade on the head, a little length on the top, and that's it. But long hair layers require movement and shape. Most normal barbers don't know how to cut the layers. You should stay away from those barbers who only do the fade, who cut your hair quickly, and who don't understand the structure of long hair. You need a barber who can cut hair with scissors, not just a clipper, who can cut hair according to texture, layers, and face shape. But the problem is that it is very difficult to find a skilled barber, especially if you are going to grow long hair for the first time. So now you have 2 options. First option is to go to a good and expensive salon. Professional stylists have a good experience of cutting layers. They understand long hair and can extract the full potential of the hair. If you can afford it, then this is the easiest option. Second option is to explain an average barber step by step. If you don't want to pay the price of the salon, then you will have to guide your normal barber in the right way. Tell them how to cut the layers, where to cut the hair, and how much length to keep. But don't worry. In the next step, I will tell you how to guide your barber so that you get the perfect layered haircut every time. Oh, properly section your hair. Tell your barber to divide the hair into 4 sections: top, left side, right side, and back. Every professional barber does this work before the layered cut. 2. Keep the top hair short from the side. For long hairy style and good flow, your top hair should be short, and the side hair should be long. 3. Make sure that the top hair is straight and the sides are straight. Keep the top hair long from the top so that it will not fall down. 4. Give texture to the back. When the hair is straight and smooth, it looks flat and lifeless. But if a little texture is added to it, then the hair will look natural and flowing.